Hello, in this video I will show you how to install RAR application on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store. Now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open, and you have to allow this application to access your files, so you have to click here and then you can click back. Now this application asks if you want to see notifications, and you can click allow and don't allow, and now click dismiss. And now you can use this application however you want. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.